Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. Update and upgrade your system, and if you have any errors during updates, use this command. By default, eSpeak is available in Ubuntu repositories. You can install it by running the following command. This command will download and install a package called eSpeak, which is an actual version of eSpeak engine. You can verify the installed version using this command. eSpeak command can be used to convert text into speech. You can give any text file as an input or enter the text on the terminal for conversation. Let's speak in the line, "Hi, this is Mivo," and record it to the sample audio file. There are many other ways to use eSpeak to read texts. Use the help option to find out. To remove eSpeak from your server, use this command. If you have any questions, leave them in comment.